We are inside the OWASP Top 10 from 2021 module from the Complete Beginner Path on TryHackMe, and we are reading today about the task number 19, software integrity failures. Suppose you have a website that uses third-party libraries that are stored in some external servers that are out of your control. While this may sound a bit strange, this is actually somewhat common practice. Take as an example the jQuery, a commonly used JavaScript library. If you want, you can include jQuery in your website directly from their servers without actually downloading it by including the following line in the HTML code of your websites, right? You include this in the head and boom, there you go. You have jQuery 3.6.1 version. When a user navigates to your website, its browser will read its HTML code and download jQuery from the specified external source. So basically here we have our website, right? That we used the script tag to download the jQuery. And when we request the website, it will download the jQuery library. The problem is that if an attacker somehow hacks into the jQuery official repository, they could change the contents of that, right? The contents of this line to inject malicious code. As a result, anyone visiting your website would now pull the malicious code and execute it into their browsers unknowingly. This is a software integrity failure as your website makes no checks against the third-party libraries to see if it has changed. Modern web browsers allow you to specify a hash along with library's URL so that the library code is executed only if the hash of the downloaded file matches the expected value. The security mechanism is called Sub-Resource Integrity, SRE, and you can read more about it here. SRE-org, and here you can read more about that. Now, the correct way to insert the library in your HTML code would be to use the SRI and include an integrity hash so that if somehow an attacker is able to modify the library, any client navigation through your website won't execute the modified version. Here's how that should look in HTML. Basically, we have the same script tag, we have the source, which is exact same link, but we have the integrity, which is a SHA-256. And also we have the cross-origin anonymous. You can go to a SHA to generate hashes for any library if needed. Answer the questions below. What is the SHA-256 hash of? So it's the same jQuery, but the version is 1.12.4. We go to SHA hash generator, we paste the link over here, we choose SHA-256 and we generate it, right? Here we have it. This is the SHA-256 for jQuery 1.12.4, and this line should be used for your website in order to make sure that what you pull from this jQuery library is legit. That's it. Awesome.